Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at how to find the standard deviation from a simple set of numbers. So we're not dealing with frequencies here, we're just dealing with 5 individual numbers and we're going to try to find the standard deviation. So the first step in order to find the standard deviation is you got to find the mean, okay? So you add up all these numbers, divide it by 5 because there are 5 numbers here, and you get 830, okay? That's the first step. Then you're going to draw this table, okay? So I have a column x minus x bar, and then x minus x bar squared. Now, if you've never seen x bar, that's just another way of saying average, okay? So x bar is the mean or the average. X represents all of the individual numbers in our set, so we have all the numbers written out here. Now we're going to complete the column, okay? So 700 minus 830, x minus x bar, gives us negative 130, okay? Continuing the table, 740 minus 830 is negative 90. 810 minus 830 is negative 20. 900 minus 830 is 70. 1000 minus 830 is 170, okay? Now we're going to square all of these values. So negative 130 squared is 16,900. Negative 90 squared is going to be 8,100. Negative 20 squared is going to be 400. 70 squared is 4,900. And 170 squared, 170 squared is 28,900. Okay, so now we have completed this table. Next step is we have to find the sum of all these values, okay? So we're gonna find the sum of all these values. That's this now, I'm just gonna put it all into my calculator. So plus 4,900 plus 400 plus 8,100 plus 16,900. That gives me 59,200, okay? So this is the sum of all these values, okay? Now we can find the variance. So the variance, it's just another unit of measure, or way of measuring a set of numbers. The variance is going to be the average of all of these values, right? So the sum of all of them, and that's going to be divided by 5, divided by the number of items we have here. So variance is 11,840, right? Variance is the average of this column. And now to find the standard deviation, the symbol for standard deviation is you do this sign, okay? That's standard deviation. And that is just the square root of the variance. So square root of 11,840 gives me 108.81 blah 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 blah. Now we're just going to round to the nearest whole number because that's just the standard thing to do. So the standard deviation for this data set is 109.